welcome back to another video, and today I am playing Piggy with my best friend Val.
Hey guys!
Sorry I haven't been recording so long. I've been taking a break from the computer. Okay guys, now let's start. Oh, hi! Hi!
Hi Jack! Hi! Oh shoot, my phone's about to die.
Put it on the charger quick.
Jack, make sure there's no Piggy around.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Oh no, we're
Okay.
stuck here.
Wait, Jack, where are you?
I'm right here.
We're fine. This way. Come on. I know these maps like the back of my tail. I've played these a lot. Especially the mall. I'm good with the mall.
Okay, I'm following you. Sorry guys for no face cam for this video. We don't like to do face cam.
Look around for the blue key. Grab the blue key. Grab the blue key.
You get it.
Wait, I think this door was the blue lock, so we don't need that.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. You can't put it down once it's in your inventory.
Here, hold on. Can I place it on the floor?
No, you can't. You have to pick up a different item.
Oh, wait, Val, where'd you go?
Hammer.
Where'd you go?
I got the hammer.
Where'd you go? Oh, hi.
I got the hammer.
Okay. Sorry, guys, if we're not doing face cam for this video. We don't like it.
Okay, this way.
Sorry, guys, for no face cam. We don't like to do face cam.
Where's the exit? We gotta go to the exit and use the hammer on the exit.
Yeah, and then it'll make us beat it easy.
This just opened. Someone got in here. This just opened. Look for any items. There's the wrench. We don't need that. Grab the bullets, Jack. Grab the bullets.
Where?
Just in case. Right here. On the ground. Right here. On the ground. Grab those.
I'm trying. I can't. Oh, wait, I have to put the blue key away first. There. Now the blue key's on there.
Okay, let's go. Hold on to those just in case, like, someone opens up the, what is it? The safe.
Let's hope we don't bump into Piggy.
Gun.
Let's hope we don't bump into Piggy. Do you know that Bunny died? Bunny from originally? Shift!
Control and down.
Okay.
Oh, Jack, grab that. Grab this. Grab this. This is good.
Wait, and then I'm not gonna have these anymore. So you grab the key.
But I have the hammer. This helps us escape.
Okay,
Here,
I'll just get this.
Come back for that. Come back for it.
Yeah. Hammer that open.
Don't worry.
Okay. Wait.
The escape's up here. Oh, Piggy! The escape! The door is open and Piggy's right there. Jack,
Oh!
come to me. Jack, come to me.
I died. Become ghost.
You died? You died
Yeah,
in
I'm a
the
ghost though.
acid?
I'm a ghost though.
You died in the acid? Oh, Piggy, no, Piggy, please.
Did
I want
Piggy?
to be your best friend. No, Piggy, please.
Is Piggy trying to kill you?
Please. Can I be your friend? You're guarding the door. Like a maniac.
Oh. Well, luckily, are they gonna see me?
No, because they can't see you when you're a ghost. I'm scared. I don't. No. Oh, I died.
Okay, become a ghost. Piggy is gone for 20 seconds. Hold on, I'm gonna go back to where I were so we can find each other.
And become a ghost.
Okay. Val!
Jack, where are you? I want to see you.
Oh, game over.
Where we spawn.
Game over.
We got a game over.
No. Okay, let's play again.
Oh, that person was the Piggy. We both died and only one person escaped.
Aww. There was actually only 2 people escaped, but 0 random left.
This is fun. I like it.
Yeah. Intermission. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pick the mall chapter.
Mall chapter?
Yeah, the mall. Which is chapter 10.
Let's hope we'll spawn by each other.
Yeah. Well, we're going to spawn by each other anyways.
Yeah, because we're Only the friends spawn by each other. Let's do Piggy, player. Let's hope. What if we're both Piggy? What if we're Piggy? What if I'm Piggy?
We can't both be Piggy. One of us has to be Piggy.
Yeah, but what if I'm like,
icon will show who's Piggy. That's who's Piggy. Who will be Piggy?
oh,
It's that dude.
again. Oh no, wait.
Okay, I'm scared. Okay, here's the mall. A little cutscene.
They ran this way. Wait, it shows me on my screen, and it shows you on your screen, right?
Why would they hide here?
It's a cutscene.
And Act 4. Okay, Jack, I know this like the back of my hand, so just follow me, okay?
Okay.
Excuse me, Zizi. Jack, we gotta go upstairs and get grass.
This girl's following you. She won't leave you alone.
It's okay. We need to get grass for Zizzy, so when Piggy spawns, Zizzy can get Piggy this way. Okay, so grass should be... Oh, someone else took the grass.
Okay, so.
Look around for any keys. Oh, Piggy? Where's Piggy? Piggy's going to spawn.
Get!
Broken! Jack, run! Jack, run! Get
Shift.
downstairs! Get down the stairs! Don't get there! Oh no, Jack! Now they can target you!
Oh,
They
no.
can target you now. Oh, someone feed Zippy the grass! Whoever has it!
I died!
No, Jack! Jack!
Play. Become ghost.
Oh no! Piggy's about to get me! Piggy's about to get me! No, Piggy! 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 Piggy!
Did
Piggy, please! Please!
you know Piggy's inspired by Peppa Pig?
Let me be your best friend! Please! 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 No! No! No!
Did you die? Become a ghost so we can see each other.
No, I'm just terrified! Piggy's right on my
I see you! I fell! I see you! Can you see me?
No, you're a ghost.
My screen froze.
Jack, I know a way, I know a glitch. Wait for Mousy to pass. Mousy, go. Mouse. Okay, I'm going to do a glitch.
Okay. I'm just wandering around. I see you! I see you! Val, I see you!
Yes, I did a glitch.
Val, I see you!
Mousy can't get me now. Hey, Mousy, hi. How
Val,
are
I
you?
see you!
Mousy. Now Piggy can't get me.
I see you, Val!
Yeah, but now Piggy can't get me.
Can you see me? I'm standing right beside you.
No, you're a ghost.
Well, Piggy
Oh,
can't.
Mousy can't get me.
Neither can-
Mousy can't get me.
Neither can Piggy.
Yep. Unless she jumped up and then can get me. Like,
Well,
jump up
Piggy
from
can't
the
jump
bed.
up, right?
Yeah. There's also a run feature, which is actually pretty cool.
Isn't it shift? Or only can you only use that as Piggy?
No, you see that red button that says, that run button that says 6 on it? Click that and then you can, like, run. It's
Well, since
cool.
I'm a ghost, you can't really see it.
Yeah.
Mousy is still trying to get you.
Chilling here at the vent. Oh, Piggy was trying. I saw Piggy. I think she was trying to get me.
I'm standing right here. Mousy's still trying to get you, right?
Yeah, but she circles around the whole entire vent before coming and get me.
Piggy!
Piggy can't get me. Ha 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 ha. Piggy can't get me. Piggy can't get me. Oh, Piggy set a trap. Piggy's trying her hardest, but she can't get me. Can't get me, Piggy. Did she kill everyone?
I think she did.
Oh, I'm the only person left then.
Well, me and Val are ghosts. We're still here with you.
I'm scared.
Mousy's
I'm scared.
still trying to get you.
I'm going to drop down in 3, 2, 1.
Jump down! You're stuck!
You couldn't get me. Run.
Oh, Piggy's still trying to get you.
Piggy, please, leave me alone. I'll be your best friend.
I stepped in Piggy's trap and I didn't die. Well, because I'm a ghost, right?
Piggy, please. Oh, no, Piggy's behind me. Piggy's behind me. Piggy's
Val, I'm
behind
following
me.
you.
Piggy's behind me.
I'm following you.
Oh, no. I'm not that.
Piggy, don't get him.
No.
No, don't get him.
No.
Game
No.
over. Val passed away.
I have passed away.
Play. Intermission.
Oh my god, yeah, everybody died that round. Everybody died. Everybody ooh. Everybody ooh.
Ooh!
Everybody.
Ooh!
Everybody go ooh.
I thought they were removing that sound, but they haven't. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Piggy actually just knocked us out. Piggy just knocked us out.
Let's do an easy one. Let's do the house again. Let's do the house. Let's do the house.
That's actually. Carnival is the one that I know best.
Okay, so where's the carnival? Oh,
Carnival. Chapter 8. Carnival is the one that I know best.
so I have to follow you?
I thought Mall was, but no, it's Carnival. I play Carnival a lot.
Okay, player.
I want to do a trader. Okay, we're doing player? Okay.
Okay. You keep switching around.
Yeah, they want to do player plus bot. That's even harder. No, let that accept
Player.
Mr. Piggy. Oh,
You're Piggy! Don't get me. Yeah.
Who wants to have some fun? You better be ready, Mr. P.
You better be ready, Mr.
Hey, when
P.
did they change it to purple and pink? I'm coming for you.
I see myself
When did
running.
they change it to purple and pink?
Oh my gosh.
It was never. I'm ready, Piggy.
Don't you get me, Val. I'm gonna be so angry if you get me. I'm gonna be so angry if you get me. Where does Piggy spawn in this? Where does Piggy spawn?
Piggy wants revenge.
Well, but you don't want revenge on me, right? Are you gonna get me, Val? Are you gonna get me?
I might, or I might not. You will have to figure it
No!
out. Piggy's coming. Get over here.
Ah! Don't you get me?
No, you may not go for the gun. You may not go for the gun.
I see a person.
It's my gun. My gun. I've set the trap by the gun. Trap by the gun.
Did the trap get them?
No, it's just there.
Yeah, don't try to... Did someone try to get it?
Oh, someone's going for it. Oh, I'm sticking. Don't even try and go for my gun. That is my gun.
I see you, Val, but I'm not gonna come over there. I'm not gonna disturb you. I'm not gonna disturb you.
I don't care if you... Actually, you know what? I should go by the escape.
Yeah, that's what you should do.
By the escape.
Hello.
people.
Hi, Val. Don't you get me?
Hello. Jack, I'm coming.
No, don't! Don't! You're my best friend, please don't!
I'm coming.
Don't!
Jack, I'm not even trying to go for you.
Okay, thank God. Hello.
Jack, that's over here. Say he wants some fresh meat. Get over here.
You're gonna have to get me if I'm the only one left, right?
Trying to shoot me.
You're gonna have to get me if I'm the only one left, right?
Triple dog dare to try and shoot me again. Uh-oh. He has a gun. You don't terrify me. I know there's no bullets in there. Get your butt over here. You don't scare me. There was a bullet in there.
I see you.
You want to laugh? I'm coming for you.
Don't!